iQOO Neo 11 was launched in China. It comes with a very interesting backside. The iQOO Neo 11 has a metal frame. It has IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, and a premium feel. iQOO Neo 11 will be sold in black, blue, orange, and silver. The iQOO Neo 11 has a dual rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It has a 16-megapixel camera on the front. The Neo 11 features a 6.82-inch flat LTPO display with a 2K resolution. Effectively, panel supports a 144 Hz refresh rate. The screen uses BOE's Q10 Plus luminous material, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The Neo 11 runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and Origin OS 6, which is based on Android 16. Features 16 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, a 7,500 mAh battery, and 100W fast charging support. The price of iQOO Neo 11 starts at 2,599 Chinese yuan for the 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.